Oh, Bobby's here tonight. Bobby's driving the 149. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heavy metal vehicles. Group C vehicles. Oh, there you go! Oh, and that left trailing arm is bent. That was weird because he came off the jump and then went crooked. Like the left rear just locked up.
Now we got a first timer from Friday Tow Dog in that car as well, Andrew. You got Jake Holland back from that first truck and then Casey Keller, 7038. It's a good race between these two trucks. Those trucks are really fast.
Yeah! You got some muscle, an 877, the Ultra 4 there.
Had a little trouble yesterday qualifying. He's back out there running well. Got third lane figured out.
Control's car is very, very unlight. So it might take a couple of years. A bit short. Look like the girl from Harry Potter. Emma was short. And dress size.
Now look at.
It's gonna. Now, if he messes this one up, I don't think he's allowed in the city of Lodi or anything. 637 and 738.
Take all back.
All you out there. Casey does have the advantage. It is a much lighter, more nimble vehicle that he's driving. Horsepower-wise, he might be a little further down. He does have a short course background.
Casey can drive. Casey was a forward.
In fact, I heard Casey actually practices at home instead of having his wife come in here. He just tied a ice chest to the RC car and he just RC'd in the room of the house. There you go. Casey had all that. I think I'd rather be at Havasu right now than in Southfield Racing.
I'd rather be right here.
Not in about a half hour when you're watching that red car instead of racing. Give him a little bit of room so you can power through the turn at your own speed.
I think it's working that car.
Friday weekend. Bowling shoes, golf shoes. Party hats. True. A little bit of a squeeze in there. I'm not ashamed to a little bit of that. I've never. A little bit of kids on doing that. Gets up to that 30, 40 car length lead.
Squirrely.
Yeah, you might have to put some sandbags in the back end there to get some traction. Oh, Casey's going to dive to the inside. He did it once again. He had to check up right before there. Either follow tight or pick a line. Don't jam on the brakes right before the turn.
I'd rather be a back.
And we are going to get Moto 2 rolling and rock and rolling here pretty soon. We did have to delay with the ambulance. So please, if you are racing racing out now, Casey's going to try the inside again. Outside go a little bit slower, make him check up on you.
Casey makes a mistake and
Casey went a little too wide on that turn. Let's see if Casey can hold on. What do we we got? Lap and a half left. Staging, sportsman, right now. Let's go, sportsman. Hey, Casey almost goes over, I'm telling you. Holy man. Do as I say, not as I do.
Now Casey's opened up a little bit of speed there. Taking the third position in Group D. Free stage, sportsman, free stage.
See his ass fly up again though?
Huh?
See his ass fly up again though?
Out of control.